Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications in the Audible app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this. Then we tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, and then under notifications we have push notifications. We tap on this, and here we have the different kinds of push notifications that you might receive. It's either news and announcements, new content available, messages about your account, and badges awarded. And we can select which of these we want to receive, and then just tap on the box and tick the boxes that you want to receive. Or if you don't want to receive any push notifications, you can just delete all of the boxes, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.